watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, alright, so I want to first of all thank the company Tastee for sending the air fryer to the show. Second of all, I want to go on record that I've completely changed. Okay? I completely have changed my attitude towards air fryers. The more I keep working with air fryers, the more I appreciate them and I understand their convenience. So, you don't have to turn the oven on, you don't have to heat up the whole house in the summertime. You can just use an air fryer, heats up, cools down, it's all good. So I'm going on record telling you, as of today, I think air fryers are worth it. I really like them. This one's very exciting. This one has an app, which most of them are coming with apps. This one has a smart probe, like a meat probe. Has a preset program. So like, let's say we're doing a steak. You can press rare, medium rare, well done. Pretty impressive. So I'm going to get the app loaded on my phone. We'll get this one out. And I think we're doing a steak rare today. So we're going to do a rare steak. We might do some other things later, but for today, we're just doing a steak. Alright? So let's get this thing open. Take a look at it. I just turned the box and I saw more exciting stuff. It's not only got a steak mode, it's got a fish mode, which I hate cooking fish. So this will help me cook the fish. It's got a chicken mode. For those of you who love to talk about how I cook my chicken, it's got a pork mode and a french fry mode. Or a fries mode. I don't know if that's for french fries or for frying food. I think it's just for frying food. Alright guys, so the top of this device looks like a touch panel and lights up and all that. But I'm going to see really quick if the phone app will turn it on without me touching it. Okay, so we connected the app to the device. So now let's see if we can control it. Set to cook. We're going to do, let's see. Let's do rare. And we're going to do 122 degrees. Okay. Oh, so let's season our meat and get it in. We're probably going to have to cook in 2 shifts. So the first steak we're going to do rare. 122 degrees. And I'll use the app in 1 minute. But everything's set up. I just got to hit the button. You can use any seasoning you like. Salt, pepper, garlic, whatever. This other amazing feature. They gave me a cookbook. They gave me, look how thick that is. A recipe, 50 air fryer recipes from Tastee. That's amazing. Alright, so let's load up the one steak. This one we're making rare. And the next one we'll do medium rare on the second cook.
Want the probe?
So, yeah, we're going to put, check this out. On the side of the device is this little spot. I'll show you. Check this out. On the side of the device, your meat probe is right in here. It's all contained. Look at that. That's perfect. So we're going to plug that in right now. It plugs into the other side of, right over here. There's a little hole. You just plug it right in there. Plug in the steak. Alright, set to cook. Hit the button. It's telling me to press the play pause button. It's estimating 12 minutes on the app. We got it to 350 degrees cooking ambient for 12 minutes, which should be rare. So we'll test it. We got the probe in, but we'll test it with our probe just to make sure it's right on line, and that should do it. So let's see what happens. The rare steak is done, 122. We're now taking the other steak, and Tammy's going to put it in here, and we're going to let this one rest for about 15 minutes. Then we'll cut this and show you what it looks like. So we just started it again, medium rare, 133 degrees. That's 122. So let's cut into that. Alright, so our medium rare steak is currently cooking. Let's cut into the rare. Straight through. $122 degrees. Totally rare. Looks good.
There you go.
There. Okay. Some of you can't eat that. I get it. So we're going to show you medium rare in a few minutes. We're going with the medium rare one. I got to tell you, lightning fast, unbelievable. This looks kind of rare too. One was 121 or 122, and one was 131.
That's medium rare.
Let me see. Is that medium rare? Mm-hmm. So you can see there's a little bit of rareness still there, but mostly medium rare. Plus, when I reheat that to have for dinner, it'll cook more. So that's why we cook it a little on the rare side. So when we warm it up, it'll come out perfect and a little bit more cooked. So there it is, guys. Take a look at that. Lightning fast in the air fryer. I totally love this air fryer. Alright, guys. Lightning fast. Those steaks are beautiful. Once again, cook your steak if you're going to eat it later and reheat it. Lean more on the rare side, so when you reheat it, it goes to more like a medium rare. So we cook it up to this temp. They're beautiful, seasoned. This thing shuts off halfway through because they've got the heat and it kept cooking. So I will see you guys on the next episode. I'm having dinner for sure, and I'll talk to you later.